Hello everyone. In today's video in Excel, we will learn that if we have a list of students' name that are in caps lock, and if you want that it should be in a proper format, then what we will do? So how it can be brought in a short duration? So let's write down the names of students. NAME names. So here now I'm writing Ankit, Ankit, Rohan, Rakesh, Ravi, Pooja, Kunal, Joram, Nabi. So these are the students' name which have been written. Now I want these names to be in a proper way. That the first letter should be capital and other further letters should be in small letter. Let it uh, let it be. This name should be your Ankit Kumar, and it should be your Rohan Verma. Let it be Rakesh Mehta, Ravi Prakash, Pooja Jain. This one will be Kunal Kavi, Joram Teki, Nabi Ullah. So I have written these names. Now I want that these names should be in a proper format. So what I will do, I will be selecting the cell where I want, then press equal to and write down proper, proper, bracket, enter with bracket, that is shift with bracket. Then what text I will select? So I'm selecting this text which is in B5, the cell B5 I have selected. Then I should close the bracket with the help of shift with close bracket, then press enter. Then you can just see that how the proper text is written. Now what I will do, I will select this cell corner and I will drag it down with the help of mouse. I can just increase the size of cell, that is your horizontal size. So I find that every name which are there in the column are in a proper format. So in this way I can, whatever the names which are written in capitals, it can be written in proper way or in proper format. So this is the one of the Excel trick.